There's a phone number that ends in 8883. Can you please unmute your device and tell us your first and last name? It's star 6 to unmute. Hit star and 6 to unmute the device. 8883. Please hit star 6 to unmute your device. We can't call your case if we don't know who you are.
Hello?
Yes, please tell me your first and last name.
Well, my name is Benjamin Meyer, M-E-Y-E-R, unlike the paperwork that I've been sent. It says M-Y-E-R. It is not me. I am here under duress.
Mr. Meyer?
Yes, ma'am. M-E-Y-E-R, not the person you have spelled on this paper.
Mr. Meyer, please stop talking.
Yes.
The court will call the case of the State of Michigan versus Benjamin Meyer, case number DIB 053809. Is that correct?
See what's for the people.
267659. Thank you. Mr. Meyer, you've placed your name on the record a number of times at this point. You're here for a contempt hearing today. Mr. Meyer, you owe this court $168. When do you plan to pay it?
I do not plan to pay it because I don't own it. Period. End of discussion.
Okay. Well, then what I'm going to do, Mr. Meyer, is find you in contempt of court.
And what you're going to do is find yourself in a 1984 federal lawsuit.
All right. Let's do it however you want to do it. You're found in contempt. You need to be here in person.
Absolutely not. I will not be coming to your court for any fucking reason.
Bench warrant to issue.
And what you're going to do is find a gunfight and a fight on the side of the fucking road.
All right.
This fine and fee was paid 10 years ago or more. Now, you can either fucking listen or we can do this out in front of your court.
Mr.
This
Meyer.
fine was paid 10 years ago. Will not be paid again. You fucking damn near shot me and killed me. Are you fucking kidding me? Have you goddamn lost your fucking minds?
30 days in the Washtenaw County Jail. Keep it up. We'll go with more.
And we'll see you hung in front of Washtenaw County Jail.
All right. Your threats, I'm going to report that to the Attorney General.
I'm reporting you to the fucking Attorney General. Are you fucking nuts?
Okay. Everything you're saying is being recorded.
You are a goddamn tyrant.
All right.
I called the goddamn fucking attorney's office and you fuckers rejected me. Are you insane?
3 days in the Washtenaw County Jail. Keep it up.
Oh, you'll find yourself in prison, bitch.
All right.
You think you're a goddamn king? You're a fucking tyrant.
90 days in the Washtenaw County Jail.
Below me, bitch.
Just to let you know, Mr. Smith, it's the middle of page 1, yes. He does not want to deal with me because he does not have a contract with 4D, with any 4D workers, so he doesn't want really to talk to me. He wouldn't talk about the motion, so I'm going to submit a recommendation that the motion be denied.
Okay.
Okay, he's very difficult. I know that you read through all the paperwork. He is the individual that was talking about how he has continued to talk about that he's, he has all these constitutional rights, and he's I don't know. I can't even explain what it is he's trying to get to or what he's trying to talk about. So
okay.
So there's not much I can do. He just basically told me that I'm not someone that he's willing to talk to because he doesn't have a contract with me.
He maybe doesn't want to talk with me either, but you can get Sarah. You can bring him in. And
I can
we'll
get
address
him.
that.
Yeah, and
Thank you.
so I'm in the process of sending you the recommendation that the motion is denied, but I can go and get him and bring him in.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thanks.
The motion of the defendant, Father David Smith Jr., to modify custody and parenting time. This hearing is being conducted via Zoom. Present is Sherry Zorn, as well as David Smith Jr. Mr. Smith, it is now 9 o'clock, and you are before Judge Brownick. Good morning.
Sir, I can barely hear you. I was in my vehicle where I could, and fortunately, we're back in front of Title 40 and simplifications. If you can give me a second so I can make it back out to my vehicle so I could hear you, I would appreciate it.
Okay. Do you want to zoom back in then?
I'm parked right outside the door. Give me 60 seconds. I had to come back inside because whatever just went on.
Mr. Smith, your current parenting time is alternating weekends, Friday at 5 till Sunday at 7 with your 2 children. Is that correct?
Yeah, but we work outside of the order. I mean, I got numerous evidence that we do work outside of the order. That was arbitrarily done to maximize the dollar amount pursuant to Title 4D.
Well, that's wonderful that you can both be flexible about parenting time with your work schedules and the children. That's once we work together. I'm just noting that the last order of the court, August 20, 2015, so I do review these files in advance. I review your motions. I review the past orders. I review the history of the case, Mr. Smith.
I appreciate that.
So I'm just noting that the last order gave you specific parenting time, alternate weekends, Fridays at 5 to 7, and Sunday at 7, and you could have additional parenting time, but that's your absolute minimum. Now, in your motion, you're asking for an 80-20 split. Pursuant to your 14th Amendment to the U.S. Constitution. I don't know, this is not a constitutional issue. It's a state law issue, Mr. Smith. And in order for... First of all, have you talked with Ms. Zorn this morning? Do the two of you have an agreement? Certainly, if you have an agreement, you know what's best for your 2 children.
Sir,
We do not.
am I
Okay. So, is there any merit in talking, Ms. Zorn and Mr. Smith?
I object. I've made my kids in private. I'll raise them in private. My kids, this is a non-TANF case. Am I presumed to be innocent at this time with all my constitutional rights in full force and effect, sir?
Absolutely, you're innocent, but there's no criminal charges here, so I'm not sure what you're innocent of.
But,
Mr. Smith, no one's accusing you of anything. I'm just asking, normally the 2 parents will talk, and maybe they come to their own agreement. But that apparently is not going to be possible this morning.
This is a non-TANF case getting treated as a TANF matter. I want split custody, mutual agreement, all Title 40 incentivization cease and desist immediately. I will be sending letters out today to all parties that touch this case negatively. And I'm pursuing charges 42 U.S.C. 1983 and Article 3 for deprivation of rights. This is arbitrarily done underneath color law. I do not consent. I have not contracted with Title 4D. I would submit into the court's blessing versus Freestone, Wehunt versus Ledbetter, sir. I don't presume ignorance on the court behalf today. Therefore, I'm left to believe something much more sinister is going on here.
Mr. Smith, it's not a constitution. Under state law, Michigan law, there must be...
I do not acquiesce to state law, sir. I operate on federal law only. This is impeding my rights. I am going to transfer to Article 3 court and pursue. I'm going to file an emergency injunction if I can't even make my bills. Due process has been violated. Fair Creditors Act of 1970, you guys are taking well over half of my check. I can't even make my bill. This forces me into my 13th Amendment, which is enslavement. Pursuant to no lawful money, this is a bill of pain and penalty underneath Article 1, Section 16 of the Constitution, sir. I do not consent. I do not consent. I have not consented.
Your position is duly noted for the record, Mr. Smith. Mr. Smith,
thank you.
Under Michigan law, which this court is bound to follow, there must be a change of circumstances that would support a modification of custody and parenting time. In your motion, you've not alleged any change of circumstances that would warrant a review of custody and parenting time. So with all due respect, the court at this time will deny your motion to change custody and or parenting time.
I have the right to my privacy. I can't even make my bills with what you guys have done here today. I can't, honestly, I have proof. I would like to submit into the court's Exhibit A if there is no objection. I have a pay stub right here. I worked 58 hours a week at $30 an hour. I come home with less than $300. I can't even make my bills.
That's the issue of child support, Mr. Smith. You're asking to modify custody and parenting time today.
I am not here. I'm here to cease and exist all Title 4D. Sir, do you have a contract in dispute with me? I'm asking the court, Ms. Zorn, to place end of court all evidence she has partied on my contract. If not, I motion to dismiss with prejudice, failure to state a cause of action. This goes against my Constitution. Third, yeah, I understand Michigan law, but it must be in compliance with the Constitution. This has violated me as a man numerous times, and now I can't even make my bill. I'm asking you to give me 50-50 split of my kids. I made them in private. I will raise them in private. There is no need in dispute, nor has there ever been. You know what, sir, underneath Article 1, Section 13, Paragraph 5, I want to face my accuser. If we could please swear Ms. Zorn in so I could face my accuser here today, sir, I would appreciate it.
All right, to Mr. Smith, perhaps you should consult a constitutional lawyer. This matter is guided by state law. The court has made decisions.
Sir, it sounds like you already have a predetermination of this case.
The court will not argue over
like you already have
Mr. Smith, so that will conclude.
Do you have predetermination of this case?
An order will be entered. All right, Mr. Smith,
do you have a predetermination of this case, sir?